Hello Donut fam, this is Glazy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how fast D0 trades. With /trade command, D0 instantly shows my balances and asks me what I want to do. I say, buy $1 of ETH. D0 parses that in real time. Jupiter root, less than 0.01% price impact. I hit confirm, done. Swap executed. Here's the SolScan link, fully on-chain and fully traceable. That whole flow from trade command to on-chain confirmation took maybe 10 seconds. The actual execution was instant. Here's what's happening under the hood. D0 uses a dual mode architecture. Simple trades like this go through Fastlane, which means no AI reasoning between confirm and execution. The quote is already generated. The route is already selected. Confirm is the last human gate. Everything after is mechanical. In other videos, you can see when you need deep analysis, such as full token research, strategy backtesting, market structure. D0 automatically uses its strongest models. You get speed where milliseconds matter, depth where analysis matters. D0 just matches the engine to what you're asking. Thanks for watching. Donut.